Champ Barbecuers. Today we're cooking up chicken thighs. Skinless, boneless chicken thighs on the Weber Kettle 26 with Greg's basket and air gap diffuser. Oh, simple cook here, but we're using Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Oh, hell yeah. So oil up your chicken, cut off any excess fat and skin or whatever if it's on it. You're gonna want to get this chicken cooked to about 165, 170. Slather it with whatever barbecue sauce you want. I chose to use Sweet Baby Ray's to try to complement that Gator Shake, and I think it went together very well. But I did like this chicken with no barbecue sauce at all. Just that Gator Shake was amazing. About 30-45 minutes this cook took, not long at all. Give this Gator Shake chicken a try. Oh, super moist. Gator Shake on chicken? Well, yeah, that's good. And a piece with no barbecue sauce. Boy, oh boy. Folks. Perfect. Wow. Skip the sauce. You want to make a great meal at your party with chicken? Use Gator Shake, folks. It works. It's amazing. It's awesome. So subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below and what was it? Wait.